Hello kids, how are you? Let's learn some colors name. Blue color, yellow color, orange color, white color, black color, green color, violet color, brown color, red color, pink color. Today we will try to learn some alphabets and shapes. A, B, C. Square, circle, triangle. A for avocado. B for broccoli. C for chocolate. D for doll. E for elbow. F for fish. G for goat. H for hen. I for ink. J for jellyfish. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star, red color, square, square, yellow color, circle, circle, pink color, triangle, triangle, orange color, heart, heart, blue color, star, star. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye. Hello guys. Let's learn some colors name. Sky blue color, yellow color, orange color, purple color, dark blue color, violet color, brown color, light green color, red color, dark green color. Today we will try to learn some alphabets. Capital letters, small letters. A, B, C, D, E, F. A for apple. A for ant. B for bus. B for butterfly. C for candy. C for cherry. D for dress. D for duck. E for elephant. E for ear. F for fox. F for friends. G for grapes. G for glass. H for hand. H for house. I for eyes. I for ink. J for jump. J for juice. K for kite. K for king. L for lion. L for lychee. M for moon. M for map. N for nest. N for nose. O for onion. O for oil. P for princess. P for pencil. Q for quip. Q for queen. R for rose. R for rain. S for shop. S for sheep. T for tiger. T for toys. U for union. U for unity. V for van. V for vest. W for window. W for wax. X for x-ray. X for Xerox. Y for ear. Y for yummy. Z for zipper. Z for zinc. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.